Time now for another check of the forecast. Pretty calm tonight, at least saving the umbrella some energy there. It's been getting some use for the past few days and weekends, I should say.
That's right, Jane, but you will need the umbrellas for tomorrow afternoon and keep them in rotation for Tuesday because the rain chances are going to be stacked at least the first half of the week. And you'll still have plenty of dry time for tomorrow, which is the same for tonight as we are nice and dry as you get ready for bed. Taking a live look from Monroe for tonight from the Government Center, courtesy of Mrs. Sparky, our Carolina Camera Network. Also for your day tomorrow, we have another heat advisory in effect at 11 a.m. This is going to include a large chunk of your day from Monday until 8 p.m. So you can expect these temperatures to be in the 90s tomorrow and feeling more like 104 to 108. And the heat is going to be widespread. Much of the country will have temperatures above average. This is the probability over the next 6 to 10 days, and it does include the Carolinas for the next 6 to 10 days, as we'll have some very hot air in place. Now, there's going to be some relief by the middle of the week, but for now, well above average for Monday and Tuesday, and this does not include the heat index. This is the air temperature alone. By Wednesday, 87, 89 for Thursday, right where we should be this time of year, and 91 for Friday, Saturday, and back into the mid-90s by Sunday, a week from today. Now, the heat index, let's talk about that feels like temperature for tomorrow. This is tomorrow afternoon, which is why we have the heat advisory in effect tomorrow, just so you have that heads up to make sure you're prepared to take those steps to limit your time outdoors, stay hydrated. We cannot stress it enough. I know many of you like to be outside. I see some of you running. I like to rollerblade, but I'm not going to rollerblade when it feels like 104 and rollerblading, especially on asphalt or pavement. So take those steps and perhaps do it when it's closer to sunset. Now, we do have severe weather potential for tomorrow. The risk is going to be low to medium. Low for much of the Piedmont, but we do have a slightly higher risk for severe thunderstorms in the mountains, shaded in orange here. That's that medium risk. We could have 1 or 2 storms to turn strong to severe, producing winds capable of damage. And we have seen that as of late, at least once or twice a week. We get the severe thunderstorms rolling through here, producing some wind damage from power lines to down trees. Now, for your day tomorrow, we'll start off primarily dry. This is 7 a.m. on Monday, but notice how we could have a few cells to develop and blossom into the afternoon between 4, 5, and 6 p.m. This could impact the evening commute with some heavy downpours, lightning, and strong wind gusts. By 11 p.m., we'll likely see any showers and storms out there to dissipate, and conditions will start to improve. Your Guy Roof and 7-day forecasts. Take a look for tomorrow. Once again, 95 for Monday, 93 for Tuesday. Slightly cooler and drier by Wednesday, as well as into your Thursday. The second half of the week into the weekend looks to be primarily dry, but those temperatures will rise back above the average high.